there, beautiful souls. Today we're diving into something that can instantly transform your complexion with a touch of sun-kissed magic. If you're into that warm, radiant glow that looks like you've just stepped off a beach, keep watching. We're checking out the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer. Now let me start by saying this isn't your typical bronzer. It's designed to give you a gorgeous, buildable tan that mimics the warmth of the sun without the harmful rays. With a matte finish, it promises to deliver that perfect, sun-kissed glow we all crave, but with a little more control over the intensity. I have to admit, I was curious to see how well it would layer, especially on days when I want a more natural look versus an all-out bronze. So what's in this bronzer? It's a powder form, and at just 0.28 ounces, it's compact enough for everyday use or to throw in your bag for touch-ups on the go. The key here is the buildable coverage, so you can go for something subtle or layer it up for a deeper, more dramatic bronze. And the best part? It's cruelty-free, which we love to see in the beauty world these days. In terms of texture, it's soft, smooth, and blends easily into the skin. I've used it with both a dense brush for a stronger application and a lighter one for a more diffused, natural effect. Either way, it applies evenly, no splotchy spots, which can be a concern with some bronzers. Now, let's talk about how it fits into a real-world routine. I've been testing this out for a few weeks, wearing it both during the day and in the evening for different occasions. It holds up really well, and I've had no issues with it fading throughout the day. It layers beautifully over my foundation without disturbing it, which is a huge win for me. If you're on the oily side, though, you might want to set it with a light powder to lock it in, as some mattes can get a little dewy as the day goes on. Of course, no product is without its little quirks. For those with very fair skin, this bronzer might lean a bit too warm, but it's perfect for medium to tan skin tones, and it does have a versatile, adjustable nature that makes it work for most. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's priced pretty fairly for the quality you're getting, especially with the brand reputation behind it. Too Faced consistently delivers when it comes to high-quality, long-lasting formulas, and this bronzer is no exception. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something similar in price and effect, the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer offers a comparable, warm, buildable bronze with great staying power. It's also cruelty-free and provides an amazing range of shades. But if you're really after a soft, luminous glow that's easy to apply and won't leave you with an orange undertone, this Too Faced bronzer holds its own. In terms of packaging, it's what you'd expect from Too Faced. Charming and sturdy, with a mirror inside for convenience. The 0.28 ounces will last you a while, as a little goes a long way. Now onto customer service. Although I haven't personally had to reach out to Too Faced, they've got a solid reputation for responding to queries and addressing concerns promptly, which is reassuring. Their commitment to cruelty-free practices and quality assurance really shines through. To wrap this up, the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a sun-kissed glow without the sun damage. It's buildable, blends beautifully, and gives a natural yet glowing finish. It may not be for those with super fair skin or those looking for a deeper, more sculpted bronze, but for most, it's a great go-to. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think.